Hi, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
What are we going to be talking about today?
Well, we've got a very interesting workshop that's coming up on Saturday called The Alchemy of Manifestation.
Sounds really interesting.
Well, it does, and I guess we better explain what we mean by this because maybe not everyone will know, even though it sounds good. So, do you want to start, and then I can come in after you say a few things?
Yes. So, from our perspective, the idea of manifestation is when you are very aware and very connected to your spiritual and soul purpose. And once you are connected to that purpose, you can work with the universe to essentially manifest things that are for your highest good, things that allow you to reach the one of the goals or the many goals that will unfold in your life's journey.
Yes, we need to make it clear that when we're talking about manifestation, which is generally considered about bringing something into being, we're not talking about helping you to win the lottery. Only if it's on your spiritual path, then maybe, of course, we'll support you with that. But it is in this workshop, we're going to do some exercises and processes to help you align more fully with your spiritual path. And especially if there are any resistances to that, we want to address that so that you can find acceptance for what your path needs to be. And by doing that, then we can also start to sense some of the potentials that are there for your life. And we can do processes and exercises and meditations to help you so that you can bring the best of those potentials into being.
Yes, and the connection really is about you knowing and experiencing just exactly what your soul really wants to achieve in this lifetime.
Yes, and just know that when you do that, you'll feel joy.
Mm.
Even if it seems a fairly hard path, if it's what you truly need to do and you can accept it and know what it is, then it will feel warm in your heart and your heart will radiate love. So,
It's a very special kind of magic, isn't it?
a very special kind of magic, yes. And so, we think it will be quite a deep and meaningful workshop, but also very interesting for you.
Yeah. So this workshop is on 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Saving Time. And for our UK friends, that means it will start at 8 a.m. So this will be this Saturday. What date is that, Paul?
Oh, I haven't got a clue, but it's only a couple of days from now, so I think you should get the general idea of when it's happening.
We hope to see you soon.
Hope to see you soon. Thank you for listening.
Bye.